Hello again, YouTube. Today was Samsung Unpacked, and it was a big one for the company. They celebrated 10 years of Galaxy, and they definitely waxed poetic about various technological philosophies throughout the presentation. Samsung kicked off the keynote with a bang. They immediately introduced the Galaxy Fold, a folding smartphone that's hitting shelves in April, starting at a cool $1,980. The Fold is honestly a really impressive feat of engineering. The hinge mechanism looks incredible, and when unfolded, the seam was surprisingly invisible down the center. I personally like how tall the Fold is when folded. It reminds me of the old Nokia communicator phones. The Fold is packed with cameras and unique features like 12 gigabytes of RAM, probably more than your computer. These unique features make me really excited for the smartphone landscape in 2019. The cover display, so that front screen, is 4.6 inches. And when unfolded, the sort of tablet is 7.3 inches. So yes, a foldable tablet in your pocket. Galaxy Fold comes in 4 colors, and my favorite is that blue one. Release date is April 26, so in about 2 months from now. And then we got the Galaxy S10, the Galaxy S10 Plus, the Galaxy S10e, and the Galaxy S10 5G. The S10 Plus has all of the bells and whistles. 2 cameras in the front, 3 cameras in the back, 1 terabyte of internal storage, a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel. It comes in a ceramic finish in black or white, and it's got a fingerprint reader in the display. And this phone can act as a wireless charging pad for other phones. The S10 and the S10e borrow some of these features from the S10 Plus, but they're mostly pared-down versions of the S10 Plus. Smaller screen, smaller battery, for example. It seems like if you want the top-of-the-line phone, you're going to be stuck with a huge display. And just for fun, the top-of-the-line ceramic S10 Plus with 1 terabyte of internal storage will run you $1,600. And then there's the S10 5G with a 6.7-inch display. That is coming later this year, and it will be one of the first 5G phones to hit the market here in the US. Samsung also announced new wireless earbuds, a new smartwatch, a new fitness tracker, and a new tablet. I think the real story here is the Fold. It's a truly transformative device, and I can't wait to get my hands on one. For more info on all of this, I've linked Marquez's 2 videos and The Verge's recap of the event down in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.